Hello everyone and welcome to the lecture on Amazon SageMaker Model Registry. So this lecture will contain all these topics. What can you do with Amazon SageMaker Model Registry, SageMaker Model Registry Workflow, Model Registry Models, Model Versions and Model Groups, creating a model group, Model Registry Collections, Model Registry Staging Construct. So first topic is what can you do with Amazon SageMaker Model Registry. So you can catalog models for production. So model registry is basically just like a Docker registry. And in a registry, you can find out all the Docker images and all. But this is for models and this is in SageMaker. So you can catalog all your models. You can find information and you can pick and choose which model you want to deploy to production. You can manage model versions. You can associate metadata such as training matrix with a model. You can view information from Amazon SageMaker model cards in your registered models. You can view model lineage for traceability and reproducibility. You can define a staging construct that models can progress through for your model lifecycle. You can manage the approval status of a model. You can deploy models to production. You can automate model deployment with CI/CD. And you can share models with other users. Second topic, SageMaker Model Registry Workflow. And to begin the workflow, you catalog your models by creating a SageMaker Model Registry Model Group. So this is the first thing you create. And this group serves to track all the models you train to solve a specific problem and acts as a container for different versions of that model. Next, you establish the process by creating a machine learning pipeline that is responsible for training your model. For each execution of that machine learning pipeline, you create a new model version. You then register this specific version into the model group you established in the first step. Finally, you can categorize and further organize your resources by adding your model group into one or more SageMaker model registry collections. Third topic is model registry models, model versions and model groups. The SageMaker model registry is structured as several model groups containing model packages, which can optionally be added to one or more collections. Each model package defined within a model group corresponds directly to a trained model. The versioning logic assigns a numerical value that starts at 1 and increments sequentially with each new model package added to the group. A model package represents the actual model that is registered into the model registry as a specific versioned entity. There are two distinct types of model packages in SageMaker AI, those used in AWS Marketplace and those used in the model registry. Model packages used in the AWS Marketplace are not versionable entities and are not associated with model groups in the model registry. The registry workflow receives every new model that you retrain, assigns it a version, and assigns it to a model group inside the model registry. Fourth topic is how to create a model group. So you go to the SageMaker Studio console and in the left navigation pane, you can choose models. Then you can choose registered models tab. And immediately below the registered models tab, you can choose model groups. Then you can choose registered and then choose model group. And in registered model group dialog box, you have the model group in the model group name field and a description. Optionally, any key value pairs that you want to associate with model group in the tags field. And then you choose registered model group. And in the models page, you can choose the registered models tab, then choose the model groups, confirm your newly created model group appears in the list of model groups. Fifth topic is model registry collections. Model registry collections allow you to group related registered models into hierarchies to improve organization and discoverability at scale. Models can be categorized by problem domain such as NLP, natural language processing, or computer vision, and organized into tree structures by nesting collections within one another. Performing operations on a collection such as creating, updating, or deleting it does not alter the actual registered models contained within. You can manage your collections using either the SageMaker Studio user interface or Python SDK. Sixth topic is Model Registry Staging Construct. The Model Registry Staging Construct allows you to define specific workflow stages such as development, testing, production to simplify the tracking and management of models. Models progress through these defined stages and statuses where only authorized personas with appropriate permissions can update the stage status. Metadata is carried forward as the model advances, providing reviewers with a comprehensive lifecycle view to support informed decision making. Administrators can use IAM policies, identity and access management policies, and condition keys to manage permissions, enforcing approval gates and restricting specific users from authorizing critical transitions. Integration with Amazon Event Bridge enables the consumption of lifecycle events, allowing for automated notifications and connection with third-party governance tools. The Search API provides capabilities to filter and locate models based on their specific lifecycle stage and status fields. An audit trail functionality allows users to view the complete history of model approvals and staging events for governance purposes. And that's all. Thanks for watching.